Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials. Now begin. First, validate the source schema and pick a sample of 101,000 rows so you understand types. Next, get credentials and assign the minimal role required. This prevents security friction later. Then, start a small test load of 100-500 rows to exercise mappings, connectivity, and throughput. This reveals mismatches and permission errors early. Once the tiny batch succeeds, you'll know the pipeline is wired correctly, and you can scale confidently. Once the test passes, move into transformation and performance tuning. You map fields and decide typecasts, dropping or deriving columns so the target accepts data cleanly. Then, set batch size and parallelism, too small costs overhead, too large spikes memory, aim for balanced throughput. Configure retries and exponential backoff for transient errors, and add validations like row counts, checksums, and null thresholds. While running, monitor latency and error rates so you can adjust batch sizes or parallelism on the fly. Complete the process by executing the full load with incremental checkpoints so you can resume if interrupted. Use transactional commits where supported to avoid partial state. After completion, verify totals. Compare row counts, aggregates, and spot-check key records to ensure correctness. Run a data quality pass and clean up any temporary staging. If something fails, inspect the first failed batch logs for schema or data errors, then reduce batch size. Fix the root cause, and reprocess only affected batches to minimize downtime.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.